Hello everybody and welcome to another how-to video for RentalTrax and Wyosoft. We are now taking our integration with our accounting platforms to the next level, and I'm going to show you inside of our Wyosoft system here so I can show you how it's going to work. But previously, when you wanted to send an order into Quickbooks or Economic, you had to send it in one time only at the final stage. We've now opened up the integration so that you can send that order as many times as you like, and what happens is I'll use QuickBooks as an example. On the QuickBooks platform, when you send it back an order over multiple times to the QuickBooks integration, it creates multiple invoices for you on their end. So you're creating copies of the invoices, so version 1, version 2, version 3, and each of them are date stamped. So you're really only able to create that order. We recommend you only transfer it once a day, just because it's only going to date stamp and say that you transferred this order on this date. So if you want to go back and look at that order again and pick the specific invoice, then it's going to get confusing if you send it more than one time. But otherwise, you can send the order multiple times, and I'll show you in our Wyosoft system how that works. So if I go to Modules, I use Economic here because I know that there's orders in as transferable. When you transfer orders just like normal, that's fine, but when you want to retransfer an order, it lists all of the orders that have already been transferred here in your system, and then you can check them off and click Transfer again. It's really simple. It's going to be able to give you the ability to send that order multiple times over into the system. So it'll say transfer in progress, synchronize with Economic, and it will transfer it over for you. So that's how you're going to retransfer it. Once again, on the other side in the integration in the Economic and QuickBooks platforms, it will create a version for you, so a secondary version of that same order. So you can choose which one that you're going to use going forward. And then in QuickBooks, you can do stuff like move the payments around to apply it to specific invoices as needed. And that's going to give you a lot more flexibility taking payments and working with your clients. If you have any questions, please let us know, info@rentaltrax.com. You can always follow us on Facebook at facebook.com/rentaltrax or facebook.com/wyosoft. And you can always check us out online at www.rentaltrax.com.